Hello? This is it. Oh, yes. Well, I'm looking forward to it, if that is what you mean. Consider this a confirmation. Thanks for the reminder. I appreciate it. I haven't forgotten it. Well, I'm looking forward to receiving it. No, your previous email made things very clear. Bye.
Wow! That's cool. Where are they going to? Oh, that's sad. Wow! Cool idea. So, who and who will be there? Really? Not bad at all. We can even get movies, and if we're not watching movies, could be gisting, having fun. Totally! Look at you! I'm down, totally. I don't miss this kind of things, especially after our outing 2 weeks ago at the beach. Don't worry, I'll just talk to my dad. I'm sure he'll say yes to the idea. I trust him. Why not now? She'll be there. No, just forget about that. I'm sure she's even gotten over it already. Don't worry, Just make sure that Ufoma's gist does not pop up at the sleepover, and that's all. She'll be fine. Okay, me too. I just got in myself. I'll talk to you later. Alright, kisses. Yes, let us sleep over. I wasn't missing one at all. I must be there. Trust me. Good afternoon, Dad.
Afternoon, dear. How was school?
Good.
I made lunch. It's delicious, if I can say so myself.
Okay, Dad. I'll have some as soon as I'm done. Daddy, can I ask you for something?
Money again?
Dad.
But it's always about money now. Am I lying?
It's not money.
Permission to do what?
IJ invited me for a sleepover in her house. So I wanted to ask you if you could allow me, go to her house, sleep over, have fun.
I'm sorry, no can do.
But Daddy,
Didn't you go out with your friend some days ago?
But Daddy, that's different now. That was 2 weeks ago and not some days ago.
2 weeks ago? Some days ago? Same of same. The answer still remains no.
It's not fair.
How is it not fair? I allowed you to go out with your friend some days ago. Now because I said no, it's not fair. Young lady, let me tell you what is not fair. Me working hard to earn money to pay for your school fees. And instead of you studying, you go out and play with your friend and gist. That is what is not fair.
But Daddy, I've been studying and I'm top 5 in my class. It's not like I've been flopping in my grades or anything.
Top 5 is different from top of the class. So I would advise you, instead of playing around and gisting, I would advise you devote more time into studying.
But Daddy, how are you sure we won't be studying at the sleepover? We'll be studying now.
Young lady, I wasn't born yesterday. You devote more time into studying. Come top of your class. Then I would allow you to have sleepover in any place of your choice. Even if it's in Zanzibar, okay?
Top of the class, top of the class. One day, so I will see his report card and I will know if he was the top of his own class.
She said that? And what did Harry say? I trust him to behave well. What's wrong with that Sotonia girl, Seth? Is she high? Ha! Don't mind her. Always trying to exhibit that her ratchet behavior. There's a party? Really? I don't know if I'll attend though. I mean, I haven't even gotten an invite yet, so... Well, let's wait and see. Alright, babes. I'll chat with you later, okay? Take care. Bye. Daughter of a diplomat. So we won't hear word again because her dad has been posted to Bulgaria. What if they not posted him to the States? I mean, she'll shut down the entire school. Nonsense. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Nothing. And your face is swollen like there's a frog living in your mouth.
Very funny.
So much for asking. Look, you never know who could help with your problems. But since you decided to bottle it up, that's okay. I'm just gonna leave you to it. Be my guest. Enjoy.
It's Dad.
What did he do? Cut your allowance again?
Won't that be better? Actually, it won't be better, but that's not it.
You still haven't said what he did.
I told him I wanted to go for a sleepover in IG's house. And you know what he told me?
What?
That I should become top of my class. I said that was a standard routine in his own time. What's funny now?
So because Dad did not give you permission for a sleepover, that's why you're seated there looking like a donut? You obviously haven't had bigger problems. You haven't?
Better leave me alone, no. Leave me alone. It's not like I came to meet you to tell you my problems. You came and you said I should tell you.
Sorry, Auntie. I mean, I don't even know why I bothered to ask you in the first place. Your problem is definitely different from mine. Bye.
Bye.
Bumi, what's wrong?
Nothing.
Is something wrong with the food?
No.
Here you go, Dad.
Thank you. Girls, I'll be out of town for 2 days.
Where are you off to?
Abuja. I've been invited to speak at a social media conference on the impact of social media on relationships.
Wow, that's something. So when do you leave?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
The flight is in the evening. The event is for Thursday and Friday. So I'm back on Saturday.
Okay.
I trust you girls will be at your best behavior.
Sure, Dad.
Of course, Dad.
Definitely.
Bumi,
Yes, Dad.
I trust you will do the needful.
Definitely, Dad. Yes, Dad. Hello? IJ, I've got great news. Look at you. Is that all you can think of? No, that's not it. Don't worry. My dad will be leaving town for a conference. I'm not missing it now. Look at you. But don't worry now, look at how things just worked out for me eventually. I'm so excited and I'm so happy. No kidding. No, you know what? Just call her and tell her I will be there, live and direct. Okay, bye dear. Bye, see you at sleepover. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Yes!
You two, make sure you behave yourselves, okay?
Yes,
Yes,
Dad.
I don't want to come back and start hearing stories.
No problem, Dad. Don't
I
worry.
also spoke with Shade this morning before she left for work. And she assured me there will be no wahala. Or better still, I can call your grandma to come and stay with you. Ibadan is just there and...
Dad,
Don't, Dad.
please. Honestly, we'll be fine. I mean, Sade's here. I'm here. Everything will be under control. Don't worry, Dad. There's no need to call Grandma.
Okay. Remember to call me if there's any emergency, okay?
Okay.
Dad.
And I'll call immediately I get to Abuja. Okay?
We'll be expecting your call, Dad.
Bye.
Have a safe
Bye,
flight.
Dad.
Bye.
Take care.
Time to plan my mini party.
Eh?
What's wrong with you?
Nobody told Daddy anything about hosting a mini party.
The same way nobody told Daddy about going for the sleepover that you already said no to, but you're going to sneak there. You think I didn't know me?
No, now. Host a mini party. Nobody's stopping you.
Better. I always used to say that, you have small sense in that brain of yours. And I'm right. Thank you for proving me right, okay? Good girl. Hey, more party don't show. Hello, babes. How far? Yes, I want to plan a mini party tomorrow.
Your breakfast is on the table. Please make sure you wash up when you're done. I don't want to come back and have dirty dishes staring at me.
Okay, dough.
What are you doing?
IJ invited me for a sleepover in her house tonight.
And you were planning on telling me about it. When? When you came back?
No, I'm sorry, I forgot. And since it was a last-minute decision, and Dad said I should...
Wait. So Daddy already said it wasn't okay for you to go? And you still want to go?
Big sis, please. It's just before one night, though. One night, and I'll be in IJ's house all through.
I don't know about this, so...
Please, I beg you, please. Okay, you know what? IJ's auntie will be around. We'll be inside the house all through, and nothing will happen to us.
Okay. So what will happen when Dad calls and wants to speak to you? What will I tell him?
Just tell him that Okay, tell him I slept early. At least I've been at home all through yesterday now. Please now, Sister Shade.
Yeah? So now I have a title. Okay, fine. I've heard.
Thank you! I love you so much. I love you so much now. So much. Don't worry, I'll make it up to you.
Make sure you come back first thing tomorrow morning. I don't want that this while I beg.
Yes, I'll make sure I come back first thing tomorrow morning. I crossed my heart though. See, I crossed already. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I'll see you later then.
So what time will you bring the drinks then? 6 p.m.? No, now, no. My guests are meant to arrive at the party for 5 p.m.
Party.
The drinks should be here latest 4 p.m. Anything after that is unacceptable to me. Okay? Thank you.
Nobody said anything about having a party here.
It's a mini party. There's a big difference.
The key word here being party.
It's just a small party now. And a few friends, about 20 of them. It's not like I'm inviting the entire school.
I wonder why this topic didn't come up when Dad was around.
Shade, you need to take a chill pill. Like, seriously? It's a small party, like I said. It's not a big deal. I appreciate you being my sister and all, but you really need to be more of my sister and less of our mother. Honestly.
You guys just like to make things complicated. First, Bumi wants to go for a sleepover that Dad says she shouldn't go for. And now, you want to host a mini party that I can bet an entire year's salary that Dad knows nothing about.
Well, what Daddy doesn't know cannot kill him now, can it? Besides, you are my sister and not his snitch. So, what I say?
You guys.
Love you too.
Until the count of 5 to leave my house, or else some of you will be waxing freedom songs from the place else. 1, 2.
Daddy, I can explain.
I've only been gone for 1 night, and you people turn my house into a mini club.
Daddy, it's really not what you think.
Whatever it is, I don't want to hear it. Now, where is Bumi? Hello? Bumi, how are you?
Hello, Daddy. I'm fine.
Where are you right now?
Daddy, I'm in my room. I slept early because I came from school late.
I hope so. I'm in the living room. I want to see you now. Come.
Eh? What?
I'm in the living room. I came back this evening. I want to see you right now.
Daddy, it's not what you think.
I shall see you tomorrow morning when you come back. Good night. You haven't any slightest idea how disappointed I am in you. I've only been gone for one night and you people ran amok, doing the things you like. I'm not really surprised at Tayo because she has penchant for those things. But you, Shade.
Daddy, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Daddy. I know I wasn't firm enough and I failed you.
You not only failed me, you failed your sisters as well. I thought you were the responsible one, but I'm off to bed. I thought I was coming home to meet my girls good and well behaved, but I came to meet this. If I had known, I would have stayed back one more day.
Paranoid, eh? Are you happy now?
Sorry.
Don't sorry me, please.